Adding a text box to any design is really quite simple. Once you select the design you would like to personalize and open it, you'll see that you get a default of 2 text boxes. For some designs you will get more than 2 text boxes, but the default is 2. Once you click into the text box, you can start making any changes you would like to the design. Say I'm typing along and I decide that I'd like to use another text box. I have a couple of options of how to add one. The first is using the Add Text located on your top toolbar. You'll see that this adds a new text box in the top left-hand corner that you can then move to wherever you like. I can continue editing and I decide I want to add yet another text box. I also have the ability to do that right here in the Edit Text Boxes screen. You'll see that it'll tell me the box that I'm editing and the total number of boxes is set to 3. Simply clicking the up button will increase this number to 4, and again adding a text box in the top left hand corner that I can move. You can continue to do this adding text boxes. You may be wondering why I'd want to add another text box. The reason is that whatever font, color, and size I use in one text box has to be the same for the entire text box. I can't change it within one text box. So, say I'm going to use Happy Birthday. We want to set the font, size, and color for that design. I'll simply click Set Font within the Edit Text Boxes. I'll be able to scroll down the fonts that are located, and over 400 fonts have been added by your OccasionOgraphy software. I'll select the font that I'd like to use. I'm going to make it bold in this case because I want it to be really dark. And I'll select the size. Once I have that, I can place it wherever I like. But then I need to also format Jennifer. In this case, I'm going to again go ahead and set the font. Doesn't have to be the same now because we're in a different text box. I can even do this one bold italic, and I'm going to do it a little bit larger because we really want Jennifer's name to stand out. With that, I also want to make Jennifer's name a different color. So I'm going to click on Set Font Color, which will allow me to select from one of these predefined colors over here. Say I just want to make it a blue, and I click the color and click OK. You'll then see that the changes do take place on the actual design, but not within your Edit Text Boxes screen. Don't be alarmed as long as you see it on your wrapper screen.